Okay, now we have our product table here. So we want to model our product to meet the product table description. We have name, model, ID, we have ID, name, model, card, image, discount. I think we should have something like price. Now if we check on the documentation of the documentation here, it should be here in, yeah. If we check on the documentation there, we can specify the data types for these products. For example, we have product fields to fill include ID, which is integer auto increment. Then we have product name, which is string and should not be null. We have model, which is string, which should also not be null, and image, which should also not be null. We also have the discount, which should integer and should also be null, but default 0, which means by default there's no discount for product price. Can also describe price. So this one is a single model of product using serialize. Now what we can do, this product model can be exported and be used. So we can export that product and use it in our controllers. We can import it now in our controllers and make use of it and in performing the CRUD operations. Now, first of all, I'm going to go back to our controllers and check if is it really that the product is being synced. go to our controller product.js, create product, make this synchronize function, and wrap this in a try catch block. Try. Try. And catch. Error. Saying an error occurred while creating a product. Now this product instance we must import it. Import product from product.js. Now if you see our console, I cannot find module full stack. Give you a careful saying. We don't have our database running, so we expect a problem. Now it is named models. Product. Okay, I should just name it something like this. It is trying to look for it. Exporting an instance of where's the product. Let me just rename this to